this coming attraction for a special bulletin.
This news just in concerning a 6-year-old runaway who answers to the name Big Bird.
Did you say Big Bird?
That's right, Big Bird. He is reportedly heading east for a place called Sesame Street.
Same street?
Sesame Street. Sorry.
Could this be the end of our fine-feathered friend? No!
Big Bird!
There he is!
This can only be the beginning of the wildest goose chase of them all.
I love wild goose chases.
Now everyone's on the trail of that big yellow tail.
You're the biggest chicken I've ever seen.
Follow the laughter.
Two tossed salads!
Follow the music.
Cares away on this hazy going day.
Ain't no mountain you can't climb.
Follow the stars. Sandra Bernhardt, John Candy,
Be a man.
Chevy Chase, Joe Flaherty, Dave Thomas. And in their motion picture debut, all the celebrities from the award-winning Children's Television Workshop. Sesame Street presents Follow That Bird.